come to Jamaica, go nyam good food. Yeah, man, I got a beach.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy yourself.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want you to want me. Like I want you. I need you to need me.
You gotta try it. It feels good.
I want you to want me. Like I want you. Need me. Like I need you, baby.
Okay, so this footage you see right here, this was back in 2019, you know what I'm saying, right before the pandemic. So it was like everything was free, everything was loose as usual, you know what I'm saying? Pretty sure things are starting to go back to normal now, you feel me? The same beautiful Jamaica, you can go visit and go live it up and party it up, man. But this is the Jamaica that I know all the way, fully, you feel me? So we ended up going back at Yardee for a funeral. God rest his soul. My grandfather had passed, and what better way to get over a death than to end up in the dance hall? Y'all understand when I tell you my family is traditional, bruh. Traditional, really rooted in a Jamaican culture, you see me? When I talk about really rooted, dog, we are Jamaican true and true. So, if you don't know, I'ma tell you. When someone passes in Jamaica, what we have is called the 9-night, the night before the funeral, you feel me? And when I talk about when we had a huge, massive party for my grandfather, I talk about everybody from all about come out, you see me? White rum everywhere, women, dudes dancing, everybody, live music, you know what I'm saying? It was just crazy. And the performers, man, they really did their thing, man. They really did their thing, man. That's what you're gonna see in this clip right here, and it was just crazy. It was just beautiful to see my people just coming together and as one, like usual, man, and doing what we do best, and that's party.
So me I expect you to feel wave. Cause I you can't see me make you now wave. But you know I see me now. Get something on, 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 get something on,
I dropped a lot of Hennessy here in the States. No, I got to Jamaica and I end up drinking, you know what I'm saying, we end up running through like 4 Big Boy bottles that night. What? I pour liver, bruh.
Inside, you're the inside. When nobody know the party, I think you want to show how they are making closely. Thank you too, Richard Bad. I'm a big one brother on the building, Richard Bad. You know, for 9-0 anyway, Father Rev. Tell me drop out for the sceen. I was a green veil. No order, please. Thank you too.
Shout the blocks a DJ, Matarana DJ. I'm here for one lyric. I'm what me the Israel me DJ. What's up, Spider? Team on the feet jump on. Everybody frap up. Jesus Christ.
So in this scene right here, man, this is a headphone party. I ain't never been to a headphone party, you know what I'm saying? So if you don't know what that is, that's where you can't hear the music out loud. And the thing that made this headphone party so exclusive was it was a straight exclusive party, man. We got bottles everywhere. The thing that made the headphone party different was you could only hear the music through the headphones. So you know, in Jamaica, you hear ba 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 ba. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, man. It's dope. It's one of the coolest things ever. You feel me? And there's a whole bunch of performers, you know what I'm saying, who got a lot of hot tracks out now in the U.S. and especially like in New York and Miami and all over, you feel me? And they all traveled down to Jamaica. It just so happened at that time and that I went down, you know what I'm saying, everybody was in town. Buju Banton had just came home. So it was a huge time. And his breakout concert was that weekend when I was in Jamaica. You see me? So it was a big deal. Big deal. Huge. Massive.
Boss Rich.
Anyway, we're gonna get up to see me. Like, have an income for the rep.
Yeah, man, so we getting the Dancehall, man. It was like a non-stop drink-a-thon everywhere I went, man. Cribs in it, straight buckle, you see me? And a couple other things. But listen, I'm going to tell you like this. I'm going to tell you a crazy thing that I saw. So look. So you know how, like, you go to a baseball game or a football game, they come around with the coolers, with the beer. They're like, hey, who want beer? Who want beer? Peanuts, get your peanuts, you know what I'm saying? They came around in the dance hall with the ganja, dog, in the same type of bag, you know what I'm saying? They had lighters, spliffs, ganja, you see me? Everything you can think about. I said, what the blood clean? I said, dog, I never see this before. Never see it in my whole life. I said, wow, craziness, right? Man, y'all gotta go to Jamaica. Believe me, how it lives on. The boy.
The family there, Yardee, shoes for them feet. In the land where my grandfather lay, hit the sweet. Raised by the Rasta, real shotters and baby. They made me never shot to know a real Christianity. Grandpa Cowie was a hustler, now he's looking over me. Every